Okay, you can see I'm in the middle of changing the shocks. Okay, so on F-53 Ford chassis. Now I'm showing you this in the middle because it's really no big deal. As you can see, I can stick pretty much my whole body, or at least half of my upper body, into this area once I move the tire. As you can see, I turn it, boom, and here we go. And so you could just reach everything you need right down here to right up here. Okay, so now it's just a matter of me just putting the bolts in and tightening them down. It's a short video because there's really nothing to it. Okay, as long as you have the right tools. 1 1/8. 1 1/8 inch. That's what you need. Okay, so doing the back shocks is probably easier than doing the front because as you can see, the bolts are right there, and since this is like a truck body, you could just crawl underneath without any assistance. As far as raising the body up, you just climb underneath and just change the shocks. Now for me, I know people are going to use a ratchet set. I would recommend you get one of these. I got mine from from Home Depot. It's an impact wrench. And I'll tell you, if I had to do this by hand, I probably would have, well, it would have taken a lot longer. But with this, I could just zip, 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 tight, zip, 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 unloosen, and good to go. So as you can see, I'm not going to show you the whole thing because, you know, shocks is probably one of the easiest things you can do as far as an upgrade on your machine or any of your equipment or your car and anything like that. It's just a couple of bolts and you're good. All right. Anyway, thank you for visiting, leaving my comfort zone. Sorry, I'm a little bit tired now. Oh God, okay. Bye-bye.